Myself, Professor Pawar VK from Department of Geography, JET Arts, Science and Commerce College for Women, Malegaon. On behalf of this video presentation, I welcome you all. An amount of rupees 1.24 crore was sanctioned for the year 2004-05 to benefit 1,250 women. Some important programs and activities run by Government of India for the welfare of women in the country are: Number 1, Operational Literacy Program. Number 2, Occupational Training and Education for Adult Women. Number 3, Rural Women Board. Number 4, Women's Hostels. Number 5, Women Training Centers. Number 6, Establishment of National Women Fund. Number 7, Women Environment Scheme. Number 8, Reservation in Panchayati Raj and Municipalities. Number 9, National Maternity Benefit Scheme. Number 10, Indira Women Scheme. Number 11, Women Empowerment Scheme. Number 12, Self-Dependence Scheme. Number 13, Self-Power Project. Number 14, Girl Enrichment Scheme. Number 15, Women Enrichment Scheme. Number 16, Condensed Course for Women Education. Number 17, Family Counseling Centers. Number 18, Primary Health Centers. Number 19, Girl Empowerment Scheme. Number 20, Short Stay Homes. Number 21, Initiates to Combat Trafficking of Women and Children. And its second is Grant in Aid for Research, Publication and Monitoring. What awards are given? The government has established some prestigious awards to appreciate the outstanding contributions of women. For example, the awards are given as Sri Shakti Puraskar, given to the name of Daughters of India, Kanagi Matta Jizabai and Devi Ahilyabai Holkar, Rani Lakshmibai and Rani Gainiduli, is given for outstanding work on women welfare and presented annually on the International Women's Day, January 8. Dr. Durgabai Deshmukh Award on Women's Development carries a cash prize of Rs 5 lakh and shawl and given annually to any organization for outstanding contribution towards women welfare. Now, some autonomous organizations. Government of India has established several autonomous organizations to accelerate women's welfare like: Number 1, National Commission for Women. Number 2, Rashtriya Mahila Kosh. Number 3, National Institute of Public Cooperation and Child Development, abbreviated as NIPCCD. Number 4, Central Social Welfare Board. Number 5, Pension and Pensioner Welfare Scheme, etc. Now we'll deal with the next subunit, that is the women's welfare in high-tech India. In the high-tech India and the modern India, what are the women's welfare schemes? We'll see in details. Government efforts for uplifting and empowering women have proven inadequate due to vastness of country and growing population. However, modern India is shaping in different way due to privatization and industrialization with new emerging trends of economic growth. Women are now stepping out silently but surely for building their independent careers at par with male passion. Economic liberalization and the new freedom mantra has thrown open a new world of market opportunities for women. Today, women in India can do any job they set their minds to. In India, some 10 years ago, 80% of jobs were in the area of manufacturing, while today the majority are in the service sector. Now, government jobs are no more alluring due to availability of wide choice of other exciting options. Even job security is no more an attraction. Several hot jobs for women are available in the country, particularly in the field of: Number 1, Information and Technology. Number 2, Telecom sectors. Number 3, Biotechnology. Number 4, Insurance. Number 5, Healthcare. Number 6, Personal Care and Fitness. Number 7, Retail sectors. Number 8, Entertainment. Number 9, Designing and Interior Decoration. Number 10, Education. And number 11, Journalism and Media, etc. The present scenario of the country reveals that in these fields, women are not only more successful but earning respect and appreciation so much so that they are preferred over men. Kiran Majumdar started her career in the biotechnology only about 10 years back, and today she is the richest and most successful woman of India. Now, there are several examples of women's success in the country, and their future appears to be very promising and bright.